Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company. And the point of this video today will be to illustrate how to add e-commerce and showcase catalogs to your site and remove them. We'll start by going over to Store and clicking on Catalogs from the submenu. Once the catalog menu appears, underneath Active, you'll see all of the current brands you have listed on your site right now. As we scroll down, you can see the different enabled numbers: 9, 2, 18. What this means is, if we click on Polaris Industries as an example, we can scroll down. First, underneath Showcase Catalogs, we can pick large vehicles in order to display on the site, such as ATVs, golf carts, side-by-sides, snowmobiles, what have you. First, you'll pick the type of equipment, then you'll pick the year's lineup of that equipment type you'd like to have on the site. Above your whole equipment in your showcase catalogs, they have e-commerce catalogs from the same brand. E-commerce catalogs refer to aftermarket parts, clothing, and accessories from those same brands. When you initially jump into the catalogs area, you'll want to go through each brand that is currently there and make sure what enabled is what you would normally keep on hand and in stock, or if someone was interested, you could quickly order in for them. If you'd like to add on additional brands to what you have available on your site, click from Active to Available. Once the Available page loads, you'll see a plentiful list of brands to choose from. Just for today, we'll add on Ranger Marine. We'll select Ranger Marine. At the top of our page, click Save Changes. And then once that save goes through, we'll click Back to Active and begin enabling the boat types and years that we want to have on our site. Depending on the size of the catalog, as you can see, sometimes it takes a little bit. Now that it's done, we'll skip back to Active and we'll scroll down, and Ranger is now added in alphabetical order. But unlike the rest, it says 0 enabled. So we'll select Ranger. It drops down. It looks like they have two different types of boats underneath Ranger. So we'll enable the 2017 brochure catalogs, showcase catalogs from Ranger boats and Ranger pontoons. Save. Once that save goes through, your final step will be to go up, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner, and Publish Changes. Then, as soon as that Publish goes through, you should see a success stamp appear down in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Just like that. Now, if we click back over to our site, click on New Vehicles, we should now see Ranger Marine added to the list. Now, Ranger Marine is there. Did it add the correct lineups? Let's take a look. Now you can see it added in boats and pontoons from Ranger Marine. Now, let's say there's a sudden change and you need to remove Ranger because you no longer carry the brand. Step back to your catalog manager, step from Active to Available. Once the available list pops up, uncheck Ranger. It will turn red, indicating, as we can see above, that the catalog will be removed. Save Changes. Remove Catalogs. And then, as soon as that goes through, just to triple check that that Ranger catalog is, in fact, completely removed from our site, we'll step back to Active just to check. And now when we scroll down to what would be the R section, that brand is now gone. Excellent. This has been Benjamin with ARI, presenting adding and removing e-commerce and showcase catalogs with your CMS editor to your responsive site. Thank you.